A frog's flashy colors. This wonderful buffalo herd. A pronghorn's grass-cutting teeth. Or this little guy's paddle-shaped back feet. As different as they are, they all have something in common. They're all adaptations. The word adaptation sounds complex, but it's easy enough to understand. Basically, when scientists talk about how this buffalo or these crabs are well adapted, what they're talking about, what's really important, is survival. To do that, to survive, all animals need certain basics, such as food, water, a climate they can live in, and a place to raise their young. And over the millions of years they've been around, animals have developed many specialized characteristics that help them to meet these and their other needs. Scientists call these specialized characteristics or features adaptations.
You live. You can see birds in your neighborhood. That's because birds are found in almost every place on Earth. Birds come in many different sizes, shapes, and colors. In fact, there are over 8,000 different species or kinds of birds. But what do they all have in common? What makes a bird a bird? Instead of having front legs or arms, birds have wings. Most birds can use their wings to fly. Flying is a survival skill, which developed as birds evolved. It's a quicker way to get around than walking or running, so it helps birds get their food and escape from enemies. Many birds have brightly colored feathers. They make the birds easier for us to see. The real use of these bright colors is to attract or warn other birds. Sometimes the color of a bird's feathers can tell you if it's a male or a female. This male red-winged blackbird has a bright red patch of wing feathers to help him announce his territory to other males. The female red-winged blackbird has dull brown feathers. You can usually tell the type of food a bird eats by the type of bill it has. Although many bird bills may seem odd at first, each one is designed for a very specific purpose. Birds with thick, strong bills like this cardinal use their bills for cracking hard seeds. This woodpecker needs its sharp bill for making holes in trees and wood. In the holes, it finds insects to eat. Herons and some other birds have long spear or scissor-like bills for catching fish one at a time. But the puffin's wide bill helps it catch several fish at one time when it dives underwater. The shape of a bird's wings can tell us what kind of flying they do best. Many birds that travel great distances have long, narrow wings. The more rounded wings of some birds are good for quick takeoffs, but they usually fly only a short distance. Not all birds fly the same way. Some flap their wings all the time. Some flap their wings for a while and then hold them straight out and glide. They glide through the air until they find they need to flap their wings again. A bird's feet and legs can tell you something about the way it lives, too. The webbed feet of ducks and other swimming birds are used as paddles under the water. And the long toes of marsh-dwelling birds help them walk on plants at the water's surface. Wading birds don't mind getting their feet wet. Egrets and stilts are among the many long-legged birds that walk in shallow water to search for food.